IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe a type of extreme weather you have experienced. When did you experience this extreme weather? What was the impact of this weather on you? How did you prepare for or deal with it? How did this experience make you feel?
I vividly remember the extreme weather event I experienced a few years ago, a torrential downpour in my hometown during the monsoon season. It was an unexpectedly fierce storm that unleashed a deluge of rain, accompanied by howling winds that seemed to shake the very foundation of the buildings around me. I encountered this severe weather during the month of July, when monsoons in our region are typically unpredictable. However, on that particular day, the rainfall was heavier than usual, and it seemed as though nature had decided to unleash its full wrath. The roads quickly transformed into rivers, and the skyline was obscured by a thick blanket of dark clouds. The impact of this extreme weather was immediate. The power grid went down, plunging the area into darkness, and traffic came to a standstill as many roads were submerged in water. In addition, there was significant damage to properties, and a few trees were uprooted by the winds. I found myself stranded in my apartment as the storm raged on, feeling a mix of anxiety and helplessness. To deal with the situation, I hunkered down in my home, keeping the windows tightly shut to prevent water from seeping in. I kept my phone charged in case of an emergency and made sure to stock up on food and water in advance, as storms like this one often lasted for several hours or even days. I also kept a flashlight nearby, knowing that power could be restored at any moment. Although the experience was terrifying, it made me feel a profound sense of awe at the power of nature. I realized how vulnerable we can be in the face of extreme weather, yet also how resourceful we can become when forced to adapt. In retrospect, while the storm was disruptive, it was a reminder of the importance of being prepared for the worst and valuing the safety of loved ones during such unpredictable events. This experience left a lasting impression on me. It taught me that resilience in the face of adversity is essential, and that we should always be vigilant when it comes to weather events that may seem harmless at first glance. The power of nature is humbling, and the storm remains one of the most memorable extreme weather events I have ever encountered.
IELTS Speaking Part 3. How do extreme weather conditions affect daily life?
Extreme weather can disrupt daily routines significantly. For instance, heavy rainfall or snow can cause traffic delays, making it difficult for people to commute. Power outages are also common, which can lead to inconveniences like a lack of heating or electricity. Additionally, extreme weather events like floods or storms often lead to temporary closures of businesses, schools, and public services.
What measures can people take to stay safe during extreme weather?
During extreme weather, safety is paramount. People should monitor weather forecasts to stay informed and follow any warnings or alerts issued by local authorities. It's important to have an emergency kit stocked with essentials like food, water, and medications. Also, securing the home by reinforcing windows and doors and having a safe place to shelter can help minimize risks.
Why do some regions experience more extreme weather than others?
Regions experience varying levels of extreme weather due to geographical factors such as proximity to the coast, altitude, and climate. Coastal areas are more likely to experience hurricanes or tropical storms, while areas at higher elevations may face heavy snowfall or blizzards. Weather patterns like monsoons or droughts are also influenced by regional topography and wind patterns.
Can extreme weather be predicted accurately?
While technology has significantly improved weather forecasting, predicting extreme weather events with absolute certainty remains challenging. Meteorologists use satellite data, weather radar, and historical data to make predictions, but sudden shifts in weather patterns can still occur. However, Advancements in climate modeling and forecasting techniques have made it easier to predict the likelihood and impact of extreme weather events.
What impact does extreme weather have on the environment?
Extreme weather events can have long-lasting effects on the environment. Floods can erode soil and damage ecosystems, while droughts can cause water shortages and harm agriculture. Hurricanes and typhoons often result in the destruction of coastal habitats, while intense heat waves can lead to wildfires and the loss of plant life. These events disrupt local biodiversity and can lead to long-term ecological changes.
How can extreme weather affect the economy?
Extreme weather can have a significant economic impact, especially in areas prone to frequent storms or floods. Damage to infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, and buildings, can be costly to repair. Additionally, businesses may experience disruptions, and agricultural sectors may suffer from crop loss or reduced yields. The recovery process can take time and may require substantial government or private sector investment.
What role do governments play in managing extreme weather events?
Governments play a crucial role in managing the effects of extreme weather. They provide early warnings, emergency services, and disaster relief efforts to help mitigate damage and support recovery. Additionally, governments often implement policies to improve infrastructure, such as flood defenses, and fund research into climate change and weather patterns to better prepare for future extreme weather events.
How can climate change contribute to more extreme weather events?
Climate change is believed to be contributing to the increase in frequency and severity of extreme weather events. As global temperatures rise, it can lead to more intense storms, longer heat waves, and unpredictable rainfall patterns. Melting ice caps and rising sea levels also contribute to flooding and storm surges in coastal areas. Consequently, communities are becoming more vulnerable to the devastating impacts of extreme weather due to changing climate conditions. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.